Sir Matthew, this is Mr. Henry Ramos. He's one of the former colleagues of your dad, and he owns several boutique hotels also.
Mr. Ramos, thank you for coming, sir. My father always spoke very highly of you.
I'm truly sorry for your loss. But please tell me, where's your mom? Hindi na kami nagkita mula nang bumalik kami dito.
She's still in Paris. Drew and I haven't been able to contact her. I feel terrible that she doesn't know what happened yet. She should be the first one to know.
But, sir, excuse me. Weren't you one of the speakers in the tourism convention in Paris?
Yes.
Nakita po ba kayo doon?
I was one of the guest speakers. Pero hindi na tinapos ni May yung event. She left early. Ang sabi niya, there's an emergency kaya umuwi siya agad ng Pilipinas.
Wait, you're telling me that my mom has been in the Philippines this whole time?
You didn't know?
I don't get it, Kuya. Kung nakabalik na ng Pinas si Mom, bakit wala siyang sinasabi? Wala siyang paramdam. And tuwing nagte-text siya, lagi niyang sinasabi nasa Paris pa rin siya.
Yeah, I've been thinking the same thing. It doesn't make any sense.
Pasensya na kayo kung medyo praning tong sasabihin ko. Eh, alam niyo naman na nabiktima na rin ako ng scam, ng catfish. Paano kung yun yung sitwasyon ngayon? What if iba pala yung kachat yun? Paano kung may nagpapanggap lang na Miss May, tapos hindi pala siya yun? Oo, di ba?
I get where you're coming from, but it's best we don't jump to conclusions yet, okay? We need to figure out more. Drew, your friend in immigration, do you think they can help us find out when Mom arrived in the Philippines? Right. If we get more details, we can figure out what steps to take next.
Sana talaga mali yung hinala ko. Pero kung tama yung kutob-kutob, kailangan natin kumilos, ha. Huwag na nating antayin na mangyari pa kay Miss May kung ano yung nangyari kay Sir William tsaka sa tatay ko.